Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, but I'm super excited to be here again and share some awesome new tutorial with you. Let's dive right into today's tutorial and get started. And don't forget, my comprehensive course is now finished and ready for you. It has everything you need to create professional and impactful presentations, taking you from a beginner to a pro level. Check it out now on our website, thepptpro.com. So without further ado, we're gonna go to Porsche website to pick some cars pictures. So I'm gonna start with the 911 Carrera. So I'm gonna just right click and save it as PNG. So just note here, I'm not owning these pictures or anything of that. I'll just use them as demonstration, so you can use wherever picture you want. So now I'll choose another car picture. It's gonna be the 911 GT3 RS, the one at the bottom right there, and I'll do the same thing, which is save it as PNG. And from here, let's add another car. I'll just sped this one up so we can move to the next step. So now the car pictures are here. So let's add them to the slide or to PowerPoint. And I'm gonna start with the GT3 RS. So I'm gonna cut it at the middle right there. So to do that, I'm gonna crop it in one piece, just like that. Then I'll duplicate it by holding Control and drag. I can make another copy. Then I'll move the frame of the crop to the other side. So we have two pieces of the car. Wonderful. Now we finished with the car. Let's paint the background as the color of the car or near it, which we're gonna pick from the car. But I'm gonna turn off that cursor highlight. Then I'll take the color from the car. So after picking the color for the background, I'll just add a line right there to hide that sharp cut. So gonna make it or give it that artistic feel, and I'll duplicate another one to hide the other cut. So here we nearly finished the design of this slide. One more thing to do is to add the text and the other pictures. So I'm gonna take them directly from the already done presentation. I'll just hold Control and select them one by one. Then I'll hold Control C and Control V to copy them to our slide. And as you followed with me the making of this slide, the other slides will be following the same process. Just duplicate the slide. I'm gonna get rid of those two pictures. Then I'll replace them with the two halves of the Cayman. So I'm gonna speed up the makeover here so to not get you bored, and here's some music for you.
I'm like, whoa, bring that thing over here. I got a $50 bill, I'm tryna stick in your rear. She like, whoa, it kinda tickles in there. I'm feeling tipsy off a pill, someone get me a beer. A micro, found some dillies upstairs. Then I swallowed all of the bottle, dog, I really don't care. Baby, I'm just tryna get it on air. She wanna give me her love, it's like she isn't aware. I ain't getting married, I barely engage in conversation. She wanna BBL, I ain't paying for that operation. I'm not Aubrey Graham, got no patience for a broad that's brain that always harbored hatred for the cops, but I still rock with bacon. What you going through? If you see me with your bitch, tell me what you going through. What you going through? Shawty say she wanna lick, I feel just like fun. What you going through? She a dog, she ain't shit, so that make me dog food. What you going through? Tell me what you going through? I just roll the dice, I'm not worried about making fun.
Awesome. Now all the slides are ready to be animated. So on this animation, we're gonna rely on the morph transition. So before we do anything here, I'm gonna name each piece of the car. I don't mean each piece, we have just 2 pieces. Yeah, so this one I'm gonna call it the GT3 RS1, and the other half it's gonna be obviously the GT3 RS3. Nah, I'm kidding, 2. Yeah, so I'll do the same with the other cars, so I'm gonna name them piece by piece and I'll get back to you. So after naming the cars, let's get to the serious stuff. So it's a very simple process. We're gonna just copy the pictures from slide to slide, then hide them. So let's start with this one. I'll just copy paste it to the first slide, then I'm gonna crop it. So in the crop here I'm gonna hide it. So when you move it out of its frame, it's gonna be invisible. To the other one, so I'm gonna copy those 2 pieces to this previous slide, then I'll do the same, drag them out of their frame. So here, if you want an animation that goes back and forth, we need to copy the pictures on the previous slide to the next one. So here I'm gonna hide the already hidden pictures, so I can select those 2 pictures. Then I'm gonna copy paste the GT3 RS picture to the next one. Then I'll send it to back. And I'm gonna hide the invisible pictures and the Cayman here. So I'm hiding them just to make the process more smooth. Then I'll hide those of the GT3 RS from their frame like that. And then I'll show the Cayman pictures so I can copy paste them to the next slide. So on this slide, which is the last one, we're gonna follow the same path as the previous one. So let's send them to back, then I'll hide those from the selection pane, then I'll move those guys from their frame, as you can see here. Then I'll turn everything back. Make sure that nothing is hidden. And finally, let's apply the magical touch, which is the morph transition. And make sure it is on 0.75. Thank you guys for watching, and please try this tutorial and impress your audience. So see you on the next tutorial. Take care and don't forget to be creative and be safe.